Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Today in my kitchen, I have the honor of having the cutest, sweetest little girl who is 8 years old. 8 years old. Her name is Kylie, and she came to a party at our house for her aunt. Is Victoria your aunt? No, she's your cousin. Victoria and Matthew got married, and we had a bridal brunch for her, and Kylie loved the sausage egg muffins. So for Christmas, her grandma decided to give her a gift certificate to come and cook with me, which she doesn't need a gift certificate. She's part clap, she's family. But anyway, so Kylie is the queen of the kitchen today. So she has her tiara on and her cute little apron, and we're going to be making those. So what we've done is what? We turned our ovens on.
And we sprayed the pan.
We sprayed the pan.
And cutting cheese.
That's right. So we're grating 1.5 cups of cheddar cheese, because that's what we like, right? And we're going to start measuring out. We're going to measure out 1 cup of Bisquick and 1 pound of sausage. So I'm going to stop taping right now while we do the cheddar cheese. Get it ready. And then we'll do another segment of you mixing it all up and putting it in the pan. Okay, so I posted the recipe. It's 5 eggs, 1 pound of sausage, 1 cup of Bisquick, and 1.5 cups of sharp cheddar cheese. And your ovens are on 375. So stay with us. We'll be back cooking, cutting up, keeping it real with Queen Kylie today. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. We are back with Queen Kylie. And Kylie has mixed up, and Spencer will zero in on that. You have mixed up what? Tell them.
Sausage with Bisquick.
Correct. And what did we do with the sausage before we mixed it?
We warmed it up in the microwave for 30 seconds.
That's right. Because why?
It makes it smoother.
It does. The grease makes it easier for it to be mixed up, right? Okay, so you got your hands in it, right? All right, I'm going to add the egg for you, and you keep kneading it with your hands. You ready? This is going to feel kind of goofy. Kylie cracked and beat 5 eggs for us as well. So we're going to add our egg mixture in. All right, girlfriend, go to it. I know it feels crazy.
Yeah.
I know. And once you get that mixed in, we'll add our cheese. And then they'll be ready to go into our muffin pans.
That will feel even weirder.
I know, it will feel weird. You're right. But you're doing great. Kylie is in 3rd grade. And at what school? McLeansville Elementary. And your teacher's name is?
Miss Drury.
Say it again.
Miss Drury.
Miss Drury. And Kylie was telling me that she has not 1 dog, but 5 dogs. 5.
Ew.
And your bunny's name is what?
Dottie.
Dottie. And she was telling me too that not only can she read in cursive, but she can write in cursive in her name, right?
I can't even do that.
I know, right? So she's not only cute, she's smart, y'all. All right, you ready for the cheese?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar that Kylie shredded for us. And you keep kneading with your hands. That should make it feel a little bit like less goopy. I know, right? It's just easier. And we washed our hands before we did this, didn't we, Kylie?
Yeah.
Yep, because always wash your hands before we get started cooking. That looks great.
It feels weird.
It feels, yeah. Does it feel slimy?
Yes.
Yes. But you're doing a great job.
The sausage feels weird in the eggs.
I know.
It's like it'll slip out of your hand.
I know. Squeeze it good all the way through so that the sausage gets in there good. And then Spencer will finish this segment, and we will put it in the muffin tins and put it in the oven. How's that feel to you? Good?
Yes.
All right. So, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Stay with us. We'll be back with Kylie. Okay, y'all. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. We're back with Kylie. And Kylie is spooning. Spencer's putting rabbit ears on your crown, Kylie. Kylie is spooning the cheesy sausage egg muffin mixture into the mini muffin pans that have been sprayed with a scoop. And she's doing a great job. And after she gets this pan full, we're going to put it in a 375-degree oven and bake it for 25 minutes. Right, Kylie? We'll set our timer. And then when we're done, we'll show you a picture of the finished product. And Kylie and I might do a taste test. Right, Kylie?
Right.
Right. So cooking, cutting up, keeping it real with Kylie. Hey, y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. We are back in the kitchen with Kylie. And the sausage, the cheesy sausage egg, wait a minute, let me say it right. Cheesy sausage and egg muffins are ready. And Kylie is running a knife right around the edges and popping them out. Now, Kylie, do you want to taste one for us? Tell us what it tastes like.
Yeah.
Let's do the taste test. On, on a scale of 1 to 10, is it a 10?
It's 100.
I think they might be your favorite, right? Yeah. So cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Kylie has been a pleasure, and it has been my pleasure to have her in my kitchen today. All right, so I'm signing out. Sign out, Kylie. Tell them bye.
Bye.